one already too.
Yep. Oh, what a week, bro.
He's probably inhaling like 90s fucking...
Yes.
1 sec.
What the fuck?
Oh shit, that's true. Alright.
Wait, how'd you drive it home?
Oh,
Permit.
yeah.
Hold up, just wait. Before we continue with this video, we just need to tell a little bit of background story about the MX6. Well, I didn't go and pick it up. My brother went to pick it up. And I told him to record. He didn't record shit. That's alright. So, this is how it went. You know, it's early in the morning. He tells me to come. I'm snoozing, you know. Look at me, that's obviously me, you know, I'm snoozing, and I'm asleep in bed. So he went, he took the cash, he went 3 hours, I can't remember the place, 3 hours, pick up this MX6. We saw it on the market for like a week now, and nothing's been touched, and we're like, fuck it, we're gonna buy another shit box, why not? Anyways, they continue to adventure through the hot summer desert of goddamn Australia. They pick up the MX6, they went out for a test drive. But when my brother saw it in person, the guy left it in gear, started it up, and the car smashed into, I think his ute, or, well anyways, it smashed into the car in front of him, and so he got the car for 1.5, drove 3 hours back, the car was fine, amazing he says, and yeah, so we're back to this situation where we're showing all my friends, yeah, well, enjoy, back to the video.
It's the return of Touge 20. Piece of shit.
Oh, he put the place on already too.
Yep. Oh, what a week, bro. Bro, honestly, I'm amazed that you found me this, man. I think it's
Oh! Bro, a few bucket seats as well?
Yeah, hold on.
Ooh, sure. It doesn't have things like us.
Oh, it's also on coilovers already. Oh, man.
Yeah, I was about to say, it looks low. It actually does look lower than normal.
Like, the interior is actually very clean.
Yeah. Wow. Bro, it's got nice buttons.
Yeah, that
Right, and it's got a sunroof.
Yeah, I'm not going to try the sunroof.
Yeah, don't.
I already did, it made weird noises. Scary noises? Yes.
Ooh, bro, where's the groove?
Touge engine.
Touge. That's a lot of engine.
Look, it's a 3-cylinder.
What do you mean? Yeah, freebang on that.
Look, there's only 3 intake ports, so it's a 3-cylinder.
It's a big freebang.
No, 3-cylinder.
No. 6.
3-cylinder.
6.
3.
5.
Count it.
3, take it or leave it.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Fine. 2.
Ooh, BC. Ooh.
BCs? Yeah.
No, you said it had its coils, not B.
Right, and it's got a fresh battery from...
But wait, how recently did he install them? They look...
They're brand new.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Alright, give it a star.
Oh shit.
It doesn't sound hectic, I'll tell you that.
Not yet, at least.
Can you give me a water when you're done filming?
Oh, yeah.
Oh shit. Oh, see that? The started up straight away. The plate
No, bro, it actually sounds healthy, man. It sounds alright.
Does it sound too bad?
Fucking 4 hours I just did.
Alright, now tell the story about how you got it at $500 cheaper.
Did you suck in the dick? No, the dickhead left it in first gear and it smashed into another car.
Oh.
There? Yeah. Doctorate.
Did it damage?
Yeah. Where? Flash bars fucking...
Oh, the bash bar's cool.
Oh,
honestly, we could probably buff that out.
Oh, bro, take it out.
Bro.
Bash it back to back.
yeah, no, that's how I'm going to do.
We're gonna bash the bash part. Come on.
The best part is, the bumper wasn't aligned. But since going over potholes and everything back there, it fixed itself, so now it's back into
I'm mad.
So it's worked out in my favour.
Bro, it's...
Hey, he's got his rep one Habib with the paint, bro.
Actually, I'll show you. No, hold up.
Bro, he's copying you, bro. Carbon hood now. That's an excuse for...
Get another car?
Yeah,
Pico fuel is lighter than carbon fibre.
Hey, to be fair, Jane.
he just started so we can hear it. Fucking first gear.
Solid, mate.
Fucking hell, bro.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry.
This has 4-wheel steering.
Oh, no way.
Watch the rear wheels.
Oh, what the hell?
I did not know these came with 4-wheel steering.
That's actually goofy, not gonna lie.
No, that's sick. It's
That's
like a
actually,
prelude.
that's actually pretty cool.
No, it is a prelude technically.
It's a Mazda prelude. Does a cigarette lighter in that work? Yeah, I think so. That's right.
Do you want to see?
First, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, you have to film me. How long does it take? Look at that.
Can you hear that chime?
That's actually sick. I know.
Bro, the interior is actually really clean.
And it's actually a nice interior.
You should put your SB20 in it, bro.
What?
The floor mats.
Oh.
Well, fucking once it's registered, I will.
Bro, genuinely congrats.
Yeah, well, that's actually not a bad car, man. Thank you.
You guys said no.
Yeah, I know.
Fucking lies, bro.
I said no to what?
They said no.
Yeah, he actually said that's
I
what's
said no
sick.
to-
I said it's sick. I actually like these cars.
I
Right,
said
it's technically a front wheel drive Miata.
Cause this is better than a Miata. This is a rig.
fuck,
Rig,
does it talk
rig,
steer?
rig.
No, dude, I fucking hammered it.
I was gonna say, does it talk steer?
Right,
I do need
it's got a bit rusty, mate.
Man, now.
Is there any major problems with it?
I just seasoned it. Right now, I want a second car. A third car.
Is it just, was it cheap because no reg already?
Hey, where'd you get it from?
That's
Countryside?
Yep.
Yeah, that's why I was.
Hey, you gonna grab the cigarette lighter or not?
Is it ready?
Fucking I hope so.
Let me try it, yeah.
Yeah, that might work.
Careful, I think it's hot. It's not, is it?
I was doing nothing.
What is this?
Oh, there we go.
Oh, Yusuf!
Oh, bro, that's hot.
Yusuf!
He's probably inhaling like 90s fucking.
Yes.
1 sec. Yes.
Yes, bro, that actually looks better than the lighter.
Take a nice sip.
Seasoned.
Oh, yes.
It tastes like. What area did you buy this from?
Fucking pus Ballarat.
It tastes like Ballarat.
Fucking rig. Bro, I'm actually really. Bro, you know one thing?
Yeah, I'm excited for this car now.
I've never seen Jaden on the Touge.
Really? Oh, you went there, man. Alright, have a look. Come. Close your eyes for a second.
Oh, bro, what the fuck? Oh, shit.
New
Another
car.
project?
Yeah.
How many do we have now? We've got like. What badge is that?
It's a Mazda MX-6.
What the fuck? Wait, is this yours?
It's Jaden's. I bought it for him today.
What do you, does it drive? Is it registered?
Yeah, hey Jaden.
Oh my! What, oh, it's already fucking put in.
That's not registered.
Oh, it's not registered.
I actually love the fog lights in these, not gonna lie.
Bro, so you are back in the Mazda?
Yes.
Bro, I thought like you took a photo of some guy's car on the side of the road or something.
It's also got
Oh,
cruise
and look at the
control.
photo I took.
Yeah, bro, why is that so crisp?
I know, and look at Omer in it.
Wait, Oma's in it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's actually funny as fuck. Oh my.
Race, just start it up.
Bro, I don't want.
You wanna know the best thing about this car?
Bro, this is fucking sick.
The only thing is, he has to do
Wait, let me
rims.
try
Bro,
to
look
find
at
out
it.
what.
Look what they came with.
Oh my god. Wait, they came with those?
They came with coilers.
Bro, is that not BC?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Projector headlights. BC coilovers.
A V6.
So I'm trying to understand V6. What the fuck? Oh, shut up. Fuck! Give me a hug.
This gun's dying slowly, bro.
Don't say it. Don't say it. Do you know what this is for? Bro, where the fuck do you want me to look, bro? Come look for my feet, bro. Look at this. How bad is this? Oh, you know how comfy that is, bro? I'm about to do some yoga. Can you take a look? Because the wheel's going on. What wheel? You see, look at the left one. Look. It's not even touching the fucking floor, bro. Because your jack's weird, bro.
I'm talking shit about
Hey, if it falls here, my car's fucked.
No, why?
Bro, my diff's gone.
Cause
What do you think? What do you think it's gonna do to your diff? Where the fuck is it?
Bro, spinning that flame.
Oh fuck! Oh my god! Cause I thought my right hand was my left for a second. And I accidentally twisted it, bro.
See from the other side.
Hey Nathan, record this one. Bro, this side. Oh, what the fuck?
Look at how quick you got.
I should say that more. Wait. Aftermath. Look at it. Does it even sit still? Bro, does it even go out? It doesn't even move anymore.
That's so
Fucking
fast.
seized. Pull up. Cuz, give me a sec, bro. Yep. I'm looking for a
Look
jack.
at him.
Yeah, what's wrong? Jack? This jack here? Alright, Nathan, you're sexy. We get it, bro.
Bro, thank
You're
you.
not even wearing your own fucking beanie, mate.
This is my beanie.
Is it?
Yeah, I bought
Oh,
it.
it was Billy that stole Hamdash's Monkeys.
He stole both of them.
Word.
I know.
What? Yeah, bro, what do you mean? It's not even
Can we actually spec the laser?
Piece of shit.
Oh, he put the plates on already.
Yeah. Oh, what a leak, bro. Bro, honestly, I'm amazed that you found me this, man.